Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If your Shopify store is showing up on Google as nothing more than a plain blue link, you're missing an opportunity to stand out. In this video, I'll show you how to add the structured data that helps make your store eligible for rich results like star ratings, product pricing, reviews, FAQs, and more. I've also shared a detailed blog post covering everything step by step. You can find the link in the description below if you'd like to follow along. Now let's get started and quickly understand what rich snippets are. Rich snippets are enhanced search results that can display additional information such as ratings, reviews, FAQs, product details, business information, and more. These enhanced search results help your listing stand out and can improve click-through rates on Google search. But the problem is that many Shopify stores have schema issues such as missing field review, missing field aggregate rating, invalid structured data, and theme or app conflicts. These issues can prevent Google from showing review-rich results. Schema markup is typically added using the json-ld format, which provides structured information that search engines can easily read and process. Manual schema implementation works for small websites, but as your product catalog grows, it becomes much harder to manage and maintain. If you want to save time and avoid all the manual work, use JSON Schema app. This tool automatically adds schema markup to your store. Just follow these simple steps. First, click Install Shopify app. You'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store where you can install our app with a single click. Once the app is installed, complete the setup wizard. This will scan your entire store, detect the appropriate schema types, then fill in the required details. The app will automatically add and manage the required schema types across your store. You can also configure special pages such as About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, and other custom pages during the setup process. After completing the wizard, you'll be taken to the dashboard, where you can view your updated schema health score, monitor your schema coverage, and manage all your structured data from one place. Once the schema is added, copy your product page URL. Open the Rich Results Test tool and paste the URL. Run the test and check whether the product and review schema are detected correctly. If everything is valid, your website is ready for review rich results. Also, you can validate it with the Schema Markup Validator tool. Simply copy the product page URL and paste it here and make sure everything is working correctly. Schema app automatically fixes schema errors, adds review markup, keeps schema updated, monitors structured data changes, so you don't have to manage json-ld code yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.